Children, today we will learn about the Roman numbers. You have already learnt all these things in class 5. I am going to do the recap of the same. Yesterday I have shared a video that would have given you a clear idea. Just a recap. There are 7 symbols which we use in the Roman. We use the symbol for 1, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. You can see that the symbols are used for the combination of 1 and tens, and similarly 5 and the multiple of 5 with tens. Now the rules are, the first rule is, out of these 7 symbols, 4 symbols can be repeated and 3 symbols cannot be repeated. I, X, C and M can be repeated, but there is a restriction. You can repeat it up to only 3 times. For example, see, this is 3 and this is 30. You cannot write this as, for 4 you cannot write, or 40 you cannot write, because 4 times repetition is not allowed. Only 3 times repetition is allowed. The second rule is, the 3 symbols which cannot be repeated are V, L and D. That is for the combination of 5s. 5, 50 and 500 can never be repeated. The third rule is, while writing the Roman number, if a smaller symbol lies to the right side of the greater symbol, then we do addition. See, this is 1 lies to the right of 5. So 5 plus 1 plus 1, 7. Similarly, this is smaller lies to the right. So 10 plus 5, 15. If the smaller lies to the left, then we do subtraction. This is how we do. So for 4, we will not write 1, 1, 1, 1. Instead, we will be using 5 minus 1 is 4. Similarly, for 40, it is 50 minus 10 is 40. The next rule is, 1 can be subtracted only from 5 and 10. That is why we write this. See, 5 minus 1, 4, 10 minus 1, 9. But we cannot write. It cannot be subtracted from L, C and other symbols. So for 49, we are not supposed to use this. The next one is, X can be subtracted from L, C and M. That is, 10 can be subtracted from 50, 100 and 1000. You can see the example I have given here. For this is 40. 50 minus 10, 100 minus 10 and 1000 minus 10. 100 is subtracted from 500 and 1000. So for 400 we will write 500 minus 100. For 900 it is 1000 minus 100. Now the symbols which can be subtracted are 1, 10 and 100. And there are 3 symbols which can never be subtracted. The symbols which cannot be repeated are V, L, D. Those symbols can also be never subtracted. So when it comes to 95, you cannot write 100 minus 5 is 95. This is wrong. Instead, it is 100 minus 10 is 90. 90 plus 5 is 95. The last rule is, when a smaller number lies between 2 larger symbols, what you should do? First, wherever subtraction is possible with the smaller and larger symbol, you have to do that first and then add to the remaining symbol. For example, if you see here, you don't do 10 plus 1, 11 first. First do 5, here subtraction is possible. 5 minus 1 is 4. Then 10 plus 4 is 14. Similarly, you could see here 100 plus 10. This is 100 minus 10. First do this 100 minus 10. 100 minus 10 is 90. Then 100 plus 90 is 190. When it comes to the practice time, when you are asked to write the Hindu-Arabic numeral for this, first understand this is 10, 100, 5 and 1. Where subtraction is possible? Here the subtraction is possible. So it is 90 plus 6, 96. If you want to write the Roman numeral for the given number, first write the expanded form. There is no symbol for 400. You cannot write C, 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 C. 4 times not allowed. So it should be 500 minus 100. For 60 it is 50 plus 10. Then 2. Now, this video is only for understanding children. I will type the rules and I will give you few sums that you have to do it in your classwork. Thank you.